Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to keep battery saver term on Windows 10 and Windows 11. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to keep battery saver term on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just click in the battery icon in the bottom right. After that, click on battery settings, and then you see here turn battery saver on automatically at. I have here never. Just click in the drop down icon and then select always. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to keep battery saver term on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.